What's happening, party people? This is Robert DIY and welcome to Throwback Thursday. These are videos that I've put out in the past, decided to re-edit them, to clean them up, make them even better. And if you don't already know, I've kind of dedicated my, financial life to bringing people like you content so that you can learn what you need to get through this thing, especially in the automotive field. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. And if you want to support me, there's information at the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it. Now, this video talks about how to gain access into your car in the event that you locked yourself out. This video is not meant for those that are trying to get in people's cars they have no business getting into, but for those of you that have unfortunately locked yourself out and you don't have something like AAA or something to get you back in there. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and be safe out there. In this video, I'm going to try to unlock the door on this Ford Edge. It's kind of a cross-breed vehicle, like a small SUV. Last time I locked my keys in the car, the police came by because the car was running, and they'll get you in there because they don't want you to leave a car running and somebody get in there and drive off with it. But if you don't have the vehicle running, you normally have to get a locksmith to do it. Now, what they did for me was, and I've done in the past, is they wedged the top of the door frame open and then slide a tool or a hanger or something down there and try to pop the lock by hitting the button or pulling the latch. Slim Jims usually don't work on these vehicles because they have kind of anti-theft functions on them. Now, if you have a keypad like this one have, a lot of times you can just enter the keypad and get in that way, but I don't think they have the code to the door. So let me go ahead and set my wedges in place and pick up from there. Now, if you don't have a knob that you can pull up that you can see through the window, you'll have to try to use the hanger to bump a unlock latch button or grab the handle and pull the door open like that, or even snag the keys and drag the keys out of that hole. But hopefully you got a knob that you can pull up. Makes things a lot easier. One, if you have a car with a keyless entry number pad, for goodness sakes, figure out how to use that and get that pad number. Get yourself a valet key for your car. Most cars came with one new. If you don't have one, get one or get a duplicate key made and give that key to somebody that you know that's sober, not strung out on some kind of substance, that you can call and get a little help if you need them to come help you unlock the car. This door is real tight. I wedged in the screwdriver as best I can without tearing up the seals. So I'm going to see if I can get that. Now, this latch actually has a little notch in it if you're fortunate enough to have a pull-up with a notch in it. What I normally do is I'll take the hanger and put like a V-wedge in it so that hopefully I can start this part over that notch, and then as I pull, it'll get jammed there and be able to pull the latch up. So I'm going to try to feed that in there, see if I can get it on that latch and go from there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I got the hanger coming down in here, and I did get it down to the pull-up on that little pull-up there. So I'm going to try to get it to slide on there and see if I can pop it up. But I did get it pulled up, so the door should open. And we're in. So of course the goal was to get that clipped on there like that, pull it tight till you could pull it up. And previous attempts butchered up the seal a little bit, but heck, that seal may be cheaper than the locksmith, I don't know. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.